Azelaic acid is a naturally occurring acid. It is found in grains like barley, wheat, and rye. Don't let the word acid scare you. Azelaic acid is not harsh like some other acids. It's a gentle and effective ingredient. It is great for a variety of skin concerns. Azelaic acid works in several amazing ways. It exfoliates gently to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. It reduces inflammation and redness. It also helps to control the production of melanin. Melanin is what gives our skin its color. Azelaic acid is a true multitasker in the skincare world. It's a great option for those looking for a gentle yet powerful ingredient. It can address a wide range of skin concerns. Whether you're dealing with acne, rosacea, or hyperpigmentation, azelaic acid might be the answer you've been searching for. Acne and rosacea can be frustrating skin conditions. They cause redness, bumps, and inflammation. Azelaic acid has amazing anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These properties make it a fantastic option for tackling these pesky issues. Azelaic acid works wonders on acne by effectively killing bacteria that infect pores. It reduces the redness and swelling associated with breakouts. For rosacea sufferers, azelaic acid calms down those embarrassing flare-ups. It minimizes the appearance of visible blood vessels. What makes azelaic acid even more appealing is its gentleness. Many acne and rosacea treatments can be harsh. They can dry out your skin. Azelaic acid offers a gentler approach while still delivering visible results. This makes it suitable even for those with sensitive skin who may react poorly to stronger treatments. Hyperpigmentation, those stubborn dark spots and patches on the skin, can be quite bothersome. Azelaic acid comes to the rescue again. It has skin-brightening properties. Azelaic acid inhibits the production of melanin. Melanin is the pigment responsible for those dark spots. By controlling melanin production, azelaic acid helps to fade hyperpigmentation over time. This results in a more even and radiant skin tone. Whether your hyperpigmentation is caused by sun damage, acne scars, or hormonal changes, azelaic acid can be a valuable ally in your quest for a brighter complexion. It's important to note that consistency is key when using azelaic acid for hyperpigmentation. It may take several weeks or even months to see noticeable results. Section 4. Soothing sensitive skin. Azelaic acid for rosacea and irritation. Sensitive skin often reacts poorly to harsh skincare ingredients. Azelaic acid is well tolerated by most skin types, including sensitive skin. It's known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Azelaic acid helps to calm redness, itching, and irritation. It's particularly beneficial for those with rosacea, a skin condition characterized by redness and inflammation. Azelaic acid helps to reduce the frequency and severity of rosacea flare-ups. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle yet effective ingredient to address your skin concerns, azelaic acid is worth considering. It's a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into your skincare routine to soothe and improve your skin's overall health. Section 5. Your skin's new best friend, choosing the right azelaic acid product. Azelaic acid is available in various forms, including creams, gels, and serums. The best form for you will depend on your skin type and concerns. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, a gel or serum might be a better choice. If you have dry or sensitive skin, a cream formulation might be more suitable. It's important to start with a low concentration of azelaic acid. Gradually increase the concentration as your skin tolerates it. It's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying a new product to your entire face. Apply a small amount of the product to an inconspicuous area of your skin. Wait 24 hours to see if you experience any adverse reactions. When choosing an azelaic acid product, it's essential to check the ingredient list. Look for products that are fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic means that the product won't clog your pores. Choosing the right azelaic acid product and using it correctly can lead to significant improvements in your skin's health and appearance. Section 6. The power of azelaic acid, a skincare essential. Azelaic acid is a versatile and powerful skincare ingredient. It offers a wide range of benefits for various skin types and concerns. From fighting acne and rosacea to fading hyperpigmentation, azelaic acid has earned its place as a skincare essential. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. Its effectiveness in addressing multiple skin issues makes it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. When incorporated into a consistent skincare routine, azelaic acid can help you achieve a clearer, brighter, and more even-toned complexion. Whether you're struggling with specific skin concerns or simply looking to improve your overall skin health, consider giving azelaic acid a try. It might just become your skin's new best friend.